Hi everyone, today I am going to start my video series on abstract algebra. So first I will mention what is the reference book that I am going to use. I am using the book, the first course in abstract algebra by Dan Saraceno. So this is a nice book if you are a beginner, and this has explained the all concepts very nice manner. So I recommend all of you to use this book to follow this course. Right. So first we are going to discuss what is a binary operation. So binary operation is the basic thing that you need to know if you are trying to go into detail in group theory or rings or fields. Right. So binary operation is one of the most important thing in abstract algebra. So therefore I am going to begin from there. Right. So let's see what is a binary operation. So according to the definition, so binary operation is some function. It is function acts on a set. Right. It takes some two elements from the set and do some operation to those two elements and output another element which lies in that set. Right. So in that case, let's say we took S1 and S2 from this set S, and if I do this star operation to S1 and S2, I will get something which lies on this set. So S is in S. So you can write this in function form also. If you S1 and S2 belongs to S and S belongs to this set S. Right. I think that is clear for you. Let's consider some example. Let's consider something like this. Let's consider star is usual addition, and I will define according to, instead of f I'll write a star here, then it's easy to continue this video. Right. Let's say star right. In this case star is usual addition, so a star b would be a plus b. Right. This is also a real number, because I think you already know that if you add two real numbers you will get another real number. Right. Let's consider some more examples on binary operations. So this is addition acts on positive integers. Let's consider this one. So let's say star is a operation which acts on positive integers. Right. So what is a star b here? That would be a plus b. A and b are positive integers, so if you add those two integers you will get another positive integer. Therefore this is a binary operation. So in this case star this case it has mentioned that multiplication is a binary operation in real numbers, set of integers and set of rational numbers. So I'll explain for set of real numbers. Let's say in this case a star b equals ab. If a and b are real, their product also real. Therefore this is a binary operation. So let's consider some example which is not a binary operation. So let's define something like this. star. Is this a binary operation? So my operation would be at multiplication. My operation is multiplication. Is this a binary operation? So what can you say about minus 2 star minus 2? Your answer will be minus 2 into minus 2 and it is 4. This is not in set of negative integers. Therefore, this is not a binary operation. I think these two examples and this non-example is clear for you. So let's move into find out what is a commutative binary operation. So it's really easy. If star is a binary operation on S, then star is said to be commutative if S1 star S2 equals S2 star S1. For example, let's consider something like this. Let's say star is a binary operation which acts on set of real numbers. And I'll define this binary operation in this way. So A star B is equals to 2 into A plus B. So A and B are real, therefore this is also a real number. So this is a binary operation. So we need to check out the commutativity of this operation. So what is B star A? That is 2 into B plus A according to the definition. And since real numbers are commutative, you can write this as 2 into A plus B, and this is equal to A star B. So this is a commutative binary operation. Then I am going to explain what is associative binary operation. So binary operation is said to be associative if this holds for every elements of S. For example, I consider previous example that I mentioned. So let's say star is a binary operation from real numbers to real numbers. A star B would be 2 into A plus B. So first I will evaluate A star B star C. What would be the answer? A star B would be 2 into A plus B star C equals to A plus 2B star C. And your answer would be 2 into 2A plus 2B plus C. And then I am going to evaluate A star B star C. This would be A star and B star C can be written as 2 into B plus C. So this is equal to A star 2B plus 2C, and according to the definition this can be simplified as 2 into A plus 2B plus 2C. So by looking at these two you can conclude that A star B star C is not equal to A star B star C. So therefore this is not an associative binary operation, right? So in today's video I discussed what is called as a binary operation and what are the conditions that should satisfy to be a commutative and associative binary operations. So I think these concepts are clear for you. I am going to start my first video from here, and my next video I hope to discuss what is a group and what is called as abelian group. So thank you for watching.